Welcome back, Spencer family. It's your girl Fallon, and I'm back again with another video. Happy New Year! The year of 2020, a new decade, new beginning. And I know you see the title. We're doing a vision board today. I have been vision boarding as long as I can remember. The point of a vision board is to visually dream your goals in 5 easy steps.
Yeah, life I'm living. Live it.
Time for you to create what you desire for yourself.
You will need a poster board. With or without design is perfectly fine. It's up to you. It could be a thin board, a thick board, a clear board, with design of any size. Totally up to you as long as you have a board. Next, you will need your photos. You can actually print photos at your nearest CVS, Walgreens, or any printing establishment. Or you can do like myself and you can Google, print the picture in color. I use regular paper. You can use photo paper. You can laminate. You can do pretty much whatever you feel like. It's your board and you want to make sure that the designs speak to you. But as for me, Googling the photo, printing, and cutting them out is actually working just fine. Here's the fun part. I call these my writing utensils. So you want to make sure that you have your marker, your pen, your pencil, whatever you're going to write with, your scissors, of course, handy dandy ruler, your tape, and glue. And I got this glue at Hobby Lobby. There you have it, friends. You're all set. Time to create.
But if you're extra like me, and I got these at Hobby Lobby, guys, and they had a great sale. So you're watching this video now in January 2020. I'm sure that they will have the same deal, so go out and get it. It's 50% off for my daughter's vision board that we will be doing very soon. Stay tuned for that. You've got all of these for her goals for this year. Gotta watch the video to see everything that I've bought and how I put it together.
Step 1. Brainstorm. You want to start to think about words that you want to define this year for you. So think about 3 to 10 words that you want to sum up your year. Write them down. You can either write them down on a piece of paper. Step 2, print them out. You can either print at your local Kinko's or any printing establishment, Walgreens, CVS, or you can use your home printer and print the pictures out. So you want to print out pictures, words, inspiration, anything that you jotted down that you want to now transfer to your board. Step 3, cut them out. Really easy, friends. Step 4, place on board. So whatever you cut out, it's now time to place them on the board. Step 5, meditate and execute. The most important step of all. You want to make sure that you place your board somewhere that you're going to look every day. Here I am just beginning to cut out my pieces, or my photos I should say. I'm actually using a ruler. The YouTube doesn't have anything around it, and that would be far too big to stick on the board. So you want to make sure that you cut out your pictures or resize your photos before printing them so that you utilize the best space on your board, if that makes sense. Get back to me, my words of wisdom for 2020. This is going to be my quote, or one half of it. It is get back to me, 2020, faith and focus. So that will be my center of my board.
goal by subscribing, like, comment, and sharing my videos if you like it with your friends and love. We appreciate your support and we love what we do and we love that you love it. Voila! So in no particular order, we can go ahead and stick these and hang it up. Probably in our bedroom so I can wake up and meditate. Get back to me. Your quote that you chose should always be on the top of the board. So I probably want to do that. Open. Okay, stick that the fun part. So now I'm going to add some stickers. Put your board somewhere where when you wake up in the morning, you can view it, you can spend a few minutes as long as you want to, as long or as short, but make sure that you meditate daily on what you put on your board. So in 3 words in the comment section, I want you to let me know how you will define your 2020. I know you've seen the title, we do have a new announcement. What I'll be doing from here on forward, so from this video and the videos to come, the first person to comment on my video will get a shout out in the next video. All you have to do is make sure that your notification bell is turned on so that when we post, you don't miss it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, life I'm living. Live it.